Latest YouTube version has these big icons for videos. Then you have these big icons even for shorts. Then you have these advertisements here and there. You can see the first one was this particular brand. If you scroll down, then you can see these YouTube Playables. I don't want to see any of these distractions. If you see these shorts, you just keep playing them. They are quite addictive. Then you have this left hand side bar which is of no use for me. I never use them. And if you play any videos, you can't skip the advertisement now even if you have ad blocker installed. So I have a very reliable hack for you. I'm using Brave browser instead of Chrome because I feel Brave is much safer compared to the Chrome. Nowadays, I don't like somebody to track me. So on Google, just search for uBlock Origin. If you read about this tool, it has 29 million users. It has been developed by Raymond Hill and it's an open source tool. So go to this first link, which is uBlock Origin on Chrome Web Store. It's an extension. So add to Brave or Chrome, just click on add extension and it should install it within next 5 or 10 seconds. It's done. So what I would do, just go on this right hand side top menu, try to find extensions, icon. The uBlock Origin has been installed here. You can see it's live here. So I'm just going to click on it. And you can see there are 3 gears here. Just click on them. It will take you to settings. And what you need to do, you need to provide some filters here. And I'm just going to show you a script that I have created using different resources. I know it's a very big script which I can share it with you. It does a lot of things. If you are better a script or a developer, you can just filter it out and share it with me. I'll be more than happy to get a better version. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to Control A, hit Control C and paste it here and hit and apply changes. Okay, so you can see it's a big script. It is doing a lot of things for you. For example, you can see it's fixing more videos per row. Currently YouTube shows only 4 videos. I can increase it to up to 8 or 10, whatever. I'm increasing it to 6, I guess, in this script. Then I'm also removing that horizontal scroll bar. I'm also removing YouTube Shorts. I'm also removing removable playables. If you want to keep, let's say, shorts, you can just remove this script from here. Just feel free to filter this out according to your own needs. I'm just going to provide you everything. And yeah, you can just go through it. I have done so many things here according to my own needs. So I'm going to provide you this script in a Word document somewhere in comments. Don't worry about it. And hit apply changes and go back to YouTube. And if you reload this page, you can see now I have 6 videos in every row. Then I don't have that unnecessary left hand side that bar sort of thing. If I play any video, you can see I won't find any advertisements which actually waste so much of our life, right? Then I don't have YouTube Shorts, then I don't have any playable. It's just videos. I know it's still it shows a lot of videos, could be distracting for somebody, but just wanted to make some somebody's life easier. Feel free to use this script. Feel free to share it with your friends. If you can actually filter this out, please share it with me. I know it has so many things. I have used different resources to use it. Okay, so just a hack. Okay, bye.